Aling Nayang, now being loaded, all set. Ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Ibarra. Break quickly at the start. Go Army is down on the inside. Then comes Cardong. Kaliwa, then followed by his Spanish lover, Native Land. Then on the outside is Aling Nayang, while Pierce Fighter raced the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Ibarra by over length and a half. Go Army is right behind in second, and in third comes Cardong Kaliwa. Then next on land is Spanish lover, Native Land. Aling Nayang racing second last, while Pierce Fighter now racing in last half-mile distance they traveled. We have Ibarra goes on by about 4 lengths, and in second is Go Army. Down in third is Cardong Kaliwa, is Spanish lover, Native Land. Moving up now on the outside is Aling Nayang, while Pierce Fighter is still racing in lengths. Then at the far turn we have Ibarra by about 6 lengths. Go Army still in second, is Spanish lover is racing in third. Aling Nayang now moving up to take fourth, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Ibarra by about 3 lengths. Down on the inside now is Go Army with about 100 meters of the race. We have Ibarra by about 2 lengths, followed by Go Army, and nearing the finish line it's all Ibarra. Second is Go Army, is Spanish lover, then comes Aling Nayang and Pierce Fighter.
Super. Galing.
Super ngayon talaga si Ibarra. 3162 ang ating datingan dyan. 639,000. Inabot yung ating double. 544,000 ang benta ni Ibarra. 7 piso.
Ang forecast.
Forecast natin na 317 pesos. Pairings natin.
Daily double. Pairings sa 1, 20. Sa 2, 137. Sa 3, 146. Sa 4, 16. Sa 5, 22. Sa 6, 22. Sa 7, 29.
XD.
Extra double naman. Sa 1, 12. Sa 2, 13.
Ba? Si Miss Bobo na. Huling tingin ko dyan. Llamado Showman. 12 over 17.
Sa 3, 196. Sa 4, 31.